This is a good cake. Chocolate, raspberry. How many layers? It seems like so many layers.
2, 3, 4, 1,
2, 4, 6, 8.
2, 3, 4.
Alright, there's 2, 4, 6, 8 pieces of chunks.
How is it,
See?
Nummy?
There.
Is it nummy?
Should we go invite the construction workers?
There was a 2, 4, 6, 8.
Who's next?
If they give us if they paint our house for free,
If they do some work here.
and get rid of if they get rid of that tree in the back, I would be definitely give them some
yeah,
cake.
you can make a deal with them.
Oh yeah, you should have got them when they had the backhoe.
I know. I was thinking about that. Told Mia to kind of, I don't know, get them to talk nice to him or something.
Yeah, flash them.
Flirt with him. Hey,
Show some me.
you guys are so strong. I guess it's mine.
All you need to do is take them over some donuts in the morning and they'll be happy.
They always work on Saturdays.
He's gonna get big.
How much do they want for that house?
We don't know.
The owner said $250.
So I was telling Aaron about it.
800?
Aaron.
Up
Oh really? She's looking for a house?
Well, yeah, she made it house.
With John.
Mm.
Hey, but you never know.
No?
Good?
Yeah, you
Is
can
it
have
good, Davey?
It's good cake. Chocolate cake.
John.
Good chocolate cake.
It's okay.
But they didn't do it.
It's okay. It's gonna happen when you have cake.